upload router.js file. So this file will support whenever user try to upload the image in the image field in the form we are set up in the HTML in the website server. So for supporting the upload file, we are using the Express, Body Parser, Authenticate, and Multer. So Multer is required for enabling to define storage engine. So inside the Multer there is a function named disk storage. So we are using as a variable storage by the help of multer.disk storage function, which enable to store engine. So here we are supplying configuration here. So inside this storage we are supplying the configuration which is destination, and it will receive request file that contain the information about the file processed by Multer, and CB means callback function. So destination receives the inside this destination is a function which is a callback function. Inside this, the callback function is calling again, and the first parameter of the callback function is null, and the second parameter is destination folder, which is public / images. Here we have to upload the image in this particular folder of destination. And a second property we are defining here configuration is file name. So file name required rec file and cp here also. So there is no error, so it is null. First parameter. Second parameter is file dot original name. So the file name which is provided by the client to the server is called the file dot original name. So with the same name we have to upload or store that file to the server side. So server will store the same name file. So after that this storage is complete, and now we have to use file filter to enable what kind of file we have to access to upload to the server. So you are using the file constant image file filter, so that contain rec file and cb. So file which contain the information about the file that uploaded by the client to the server, and cb is the callback function which passes back the information to the Multer configuration. Here Multer configuration, so that specify how information stored in server. So this will show that filter out what type of file is uploaded by the client, and then send back by the help of callback function to the Multer to store that type of file in the server. So inside this, first we have to check if the file extension contain file dot original name dot match. So by the help of match method, it will check whether the file extension start with .jpg, jpeg, png and gif. So if the file is not start with this extension, then we will send back by the help of callback function error to the client side. So return will send the error, you can upload only image files. And second is, and the callback is false because there is no value is supplying here. So if the file syntax is all of this, then it will give true, means the callback there is no error, null means no error, and the second parameter is true. So it is true that the user supply perfect exact extension which is required to the server. So it will send back that file to the server by the help of callback function, and to the client also. cb means true to the client. And after that we have to configure the Multer module. So const upload. So after checking all these things, we have to upload the file to the Multer. So Multer, inside the Multer there is JSON function storage. So here is storage here, Multer disk storage, and file filter is so storage means it will store in the destination public images, And file filter method enables to specify what type of file accepted by the server. So here image file filter means only the image file is accepted to the server. So const upload router express router and upload router.use body.json upload router.route / only post method is used because user only post, not getting from the server side any image. So here .get authenticate.verify user rec.use similar thing for get operation not supported if the user send get request. Post, in the post authenticate.verify user authenticate.verify admin. So upload.single need form field which take image file. So upload.single means to set up the form field image file, and callback give to the client request response give to the client as 200 means okay, and pass back file object from the server to the client and pass back that file rest.json rec.file contain path used by the client to configure any place it location of this image file. So this file will contain the path which will send back to the client, that this path will follow where the file is stored in the server side. So this file is an object which give the location to the client where the file is stored in the server side. So put is not supported and delete is not supported. So that's all about uploading image in the router.